Create a new document. My file is 1920 by 1080 pixels. Go to Filter, Render, Clouds. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Use a radius of 25 pixels. Go to Image, Adjustments, Posterize. Adjust the amount until you're happy with the effect. Go to Filter, Stylize, Find Edges. Go to Filter, Other, Minimum. You can use this to thicken the lines. Create a gradient map layer. Adjust the colors of the gradient. You can also move the color stop to make the color darker. And that's how you create this pattern.